Interior, luxury features with sustainable materials, spacious seating, and a high-tech infotainment system. The Rivian R1S is built for adventure. With off-road capabilities and a luxurious interior, it's perfect for those who want to tackle both rugged terrains and long highway trips without sacrificing comfort or performance. Performance: 516 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Range: 324 miles per charge. Interior: premium cabin with sustainable materials like vegan leather and natural wood. Technology: iDrive 8 system, large touchscreen, and advanced driver assistance features. The BMW 9th is BMW's flagship electric SUV, combining the luxury you expect with environmentally conscious materials. It offers a smooth, sporty performance while maintaining a focus on sustainability. Performance: 496 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Range: 280 miles on a full charge. Interior: luxurious and spacious with eco-friendly materials. Technology: dual touchscreen system, virtual cockpit, and adaptive air suspension. The Audi e-tron Q8 combines luxury with eco-friendly driving. Its smooth performance, stunning design, and advanced features make it one of the most premium electric SUVs available today. Performance: 288 horsepower with all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds. Range: 243 miles per charge. Interior: premium cabin with 7 seats, high-end sustainable materials, and a 10.25-inch digital display.